Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're thinking about starting your own business, and but you're not exactly sure what you need to do, like starting an LLC, what you do about permits, how you get your EIN number, maybe your logo, you're not sure about any of that. Well, here is the company that I highly recommend, Tailor Brands. They can help you with everything. They can help you with your business license. They can help you with your logo, and it's just one-stop shopping. They got excellent reviews, and you can even do it if you're a non-U.S. citizen. They can still help you. It doesn't matter. I'm just telling you, these are the people that you want to use. Like I said, they got excellent reviews. Their services, let me show you about their services. They'll help you form an LLC. They'll get you your EIN number, which is basically your tax number that you need for your business. They'll get your license, permits, your sales tax permit, your business insurance, business banking. So, you want to help you with your credit. So, you want to get a business account at the bank. They'll help you with that. If you need a logo, they're going to help you with that. Domain, if you're going to get a website, they'll even help you with your website. Your business email, the BOI reporting. If you're not exactly sure what that is, you want to they're just starting this. The IRS is, so if you've had a LLC, you got to do a BMI. That way, they understand, the IRS understands what kind of business you have. It doesn't take long. I did it, and I'm sure everybody else who has an LLC should have done it. If not, the fine come next year is ridiculous. So it only takes about 15 minutes to do it, but they're going to help you with it. You'll get taxes, accounting, invoice bookkeeping if you need it. Some of this stuff you may need, some of this stuff you may not. If you do business cards, depends on what kind of business you're starting. Doesn't matter if it's affiliate marketing like me, or if you got a brick and mortar, they can help you with it. It doesn't matter. This is the place you want to go, where it's one-stop shopping. They can do everything. If it's a print store, they can do pretty much everything that you need as far as your business. I highly recommend them. You should check them out. They've been seen on Fab, USA Today, Market Watch. But 7 simple steps to start an LLC, state right here. You apply for an ESN. They're going to help you with all that, though. I mean, don't get the LLC, whether you're doing something or not. Everybody are to make themselves an LLC. You just get tax breaks. I mean, you can, if you buy stuff, you can use it on your taxes. Here's, the reviews. 30 million people signed up. I'm telling you, they're great. They're great. And if you're thinking about it, but you've been on the fence, if you're going to start a business, then you want to turn it into an LLC. Even if you don't have a business, you should, turn your name into an LLC. That way you can write off your cell phone. You can write off all kind of stuff. Your car or your truck, you can do that, if you buy it under your LLC name. I mean, there's just a lot of benefits of doing this. And I just think that, don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers, because, these people, you can contact them. You can call them right here. You can send them an email. You can, and before you, dive into this, if you feel like you're not 100% sure, just talk to them, But I'm telling you, you're not going to find everything that you need to do under one roof. It's hard, and these people do it. Like I said, if you need a business, a bank account, they'll help you. If you're not sure about your logo, they can help you make it, your domain for your business, your website. But I would probably make sure, before I started all that stuff, I would get my name, kind of an idea what I want to do. Then that way, you can do it and start that way. But they're going to walk you through the steps as far as, this is what you need to do to get started. Here's your LLC. Are you going to use your name? They'll probably ask you a few questions. Or you got another name you want to make it an LLC. You just be a solo. I mean, there's different things, but main thing is all you got to do is give them a call or, to get going. But I'm telling you, you can't beat them. They're on, one-stop shopping, and highly recommend them. And I'll leave the link down below, so you can click if if you think you're interested. But hey, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to put in the comments, make money online, because it helps my show. And I'll see you next week.